Hello, in front of me I have ALLVIEW X4 Soul Style, and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this device. First, let's go to the screen we want to capture. For example, let's open the browser. And now to take a screenshot, we need to press and hold the power button and volume down button together. When you see this animation and you hear the sound, that means you took the screenshot. And you can open the notification menu, and as you can see here we have screenshot captured. You can share it right here if you want. You can also view it in the gallery. So let's open the gallery, and here we have our screenshot. And that's how you take a screenshot on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.